name is Bright and I'll be your tutor for today's lesson. Today's lesson is going to focus on morpheme. Alright, so by the end of the lesson, we should be able to understand what a morpheme is, the various types of morphemes, and the number of morphemes in a word. Alright, so let's get started with a morpheme. A morpheme is the smallest grammatical unit that has meaning and occurs. Now, there are two classifications of morpheme. These are free and bound morpheme. Free morpheme because it can stand on its own. An example is the word boyfriend, boy and friend. Then its simplest form, and you can also say that free morpheme is equivalent to a word. Now, bound morpheme because it cannot stand on its own. An example is the word friendly. Friend is a free morpheme and ly is a bound morpheme. So we are moving on to types of free morpheme. There are two kinds of free morphemes. These are full and empty morpheme. An empty morpheme is a free morpheme that has grammatical meaning. An example is the word de, as. These kinds of morpheme are not independent, they rely on other words. Next is full morpheme. It's a free morpheme that has lexical meaning. Lexical meaning in the sense that it is independent. An example is boy, table. Next is types of bound morpheme. These are derivational and inflectional morpheme. Derivational morpheme is a bound morpheme that is attached to a base to either change or maintain the word class. An example is the word faith. Faithful is a combination of faith plus ful. Ful, which is the derivational morpheme, changes the word faith, which is a noun, into an adjective. In a similar vein, when a bound morpheme is attached to a base to give a grammatical information, that morpheme is termed as inflectional morpheme. An example is man plus plural marker giving you men. This is the last aspect of our lesson, how to identify the number of morphemes in a word. Let's pick the second example, get, which is a combination of get plus s. So here you realize that you have two morphemes each. Alright, so you can try this exercise to make sure you really understand today's topic, that is morpheme. Thank you for watching.